It's very good.
Karoli keza.
Oh, this?
Sort of.
Byose rero bikoze iyi.
Indeed.
Miss did the impossible again.
Iwana mama wa Kadiri yaramereye nawe mwite Yoxen.
I was
usuza amagambo menshi. Ndarakara ariko.
I might have had fun in the process.
Ariko no kunda akaza kwe naje gusanga binezeza.
Walked in on us.
It's so interesting that it could remain a secret for so long. In our family, surprises don't often stay.
Ibintu bimaze kugaragara ko muri famille yacu ibintu by'amasiripurize rwose birangira bitunejeje.
It's not easy.
Ntabwo byoroshye.
Joel and Kevin.
Kwemera ko mama wa Kadiri na Kadiri usigaye bihanganira.
I couldn't explain them in the process.
I understand you.
Bigenda bakira mu nzira gake gake.
Don't want Nell to get hurt again.
Cyangwa ubikora kugira ngo nazo utamubabaza birumvikana.
That such different characters can evolve.
Bombi kubera bishimiye.
Beautiful, right?
Bisigaye bituma umwana wacu agaragara nk'undi muntu udasanzwe.
Gave them space too.
Natekereje nanjye kubaha umwanya.
Give me my due.
Abana bikorera ibyabo.
Of course, dear. You also credit.
Byose rero wabikoze.
No, really surprised me.
Naza asigaye antungura.
So much.
Yarahindutse cyane. Arishimye.
Let go of control. And she went with the flow and found.
Byanekerezaho kuva naretse